Hello, how you doing? Look, we're going to make a beautiful lentil soup today. Nice and spicy. Very, very easy. Really delicious. So, in a large pan, you're going to need some oil. I'm using sunflower oil, but you could use a different oil if you want. In goes 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds. Just going to let them do their thing. We're on an above medium heat, by the way. Here I've got some onion. My onion's cut really small. I've got 1 cup of onion. And here I've got a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. We're going to give that a little whiz around. This soup takes absolutely no time and it really is delicious. So after about 3 minutes there, we now add in 2 cups of fresh tomato, salt and pepper to taste, and then 2 teaspoons of coriander, 1 teaspoon of chili, and 1 teaspoon of turmeric. If you don't have these spices, you could use just maybe a bit of curry powder. So we're going to let that go now for about 3 or 4 minutes. Then we add 2 cups of red lentils. I just gave them a little wash. Like I say, nothing to it this one, and really delicious. We're well on our way. So after 3 or 4 minutes, we're now going to add some liquid. I'm just using water. You could use stock if you want. That's 1.5 litres of water. There's a litre, so 2.5 litres in total. And then we're going to boil this away for about 8 to 9 minutes. You can see that it's reduced down somewhat as it's steamed out, but it's all nice and soft now. These lentils cook really quickly. 1 cup of cilantro or coriander, whatever you may call that. Little mix in there. And then we're going to whiz it up. I mean, I've got one of these ones that go inside. If you don't have that, you could get it into a jug or something. Really, really delicious. If you wanted, add a bit of coconut milk or something like that. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. If you do like what you've seen, please do take time to give me a thumbs up or leave me a comment. See you later.